Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete all pending Windows updates in Windows 10. Type services.msc in Windows search bar. Click Services. Double-click Windows Update. Click Stop, Apply, OK. Open C Drive, Windows. Open Software Distribution folder. Open Download. Select all folders, delete all folders. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.